It's a new day in the barn today, working on the Super Duty, working on the fenders again. In the last video, if you watched it, you'll see I got the outer shape done of these front fenders. So today I have to take all of that off. I gotta get down to the inner guts, what's behind these front fenders, to stiffen it up, because I had to cut all that stuff out to change the shape. So you'll see over here, I actually already got the passenger fender off. And there's what we got on the inside. So I need to add what I cut out from here to here, get that core support rigid again, and that'll give me something good to tie these fenders back into. So I got the passenger side off. I'm gonna be working on the driver's side now, and we'll start welding. I got the front piece tacked in for now. You can see that gap, same thing that happened on the outside, the same thing on the inside. So this used to be there, the angle changed. I gotta add some material. So I have some little angle iron that I'm gonna spread out from here to there. And it should stiffen it up good, it's what I have. I keep this truck as cheap as possible and use the materials that I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. It'll be plenty strong. It's gonna do the job. So I'm gonna start cutting those to size and getting them where they're supposed to be. So I got both sides done with the angle, and I got it tied into the front core support. It's all welded. I was gonna add some more in between the angles here, but dude, this thing is solid. That is not going anywhere. This angle's a lot thicker than this sheet metal was anyways. I don't see anything wrong with it. It looks really silly, but once the fenders are on, you're never gonna see it. So I say for now, this is how it's gonna stay. I'm gonna start putting these fenders back on. All right, so I did end up getting some material to stiffen the bottom of the fenders where it was really just thin and flimsy. I ended up using rebar, and I kind of like the rebar look. It kind of gives it like a, I don't know, like a junkyard look, but I like it. It's my style. So you can see on the passenger side, I didn't film a lot of this because this video is long enough. It's been split between days and weeks now at this point, just trying to get these things done. This has just been way more time consuming than I thought it was going to be expected, I suppose. You know, this is a weird project for me, and it's turning out sweet, just a lot longer and stretched out a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. A lot of that has to do too with just time. I don't have a ton of time to work on this thing every single day, so it's the extra time I have is the time that I get to put on this truck. But I I got some Bondo on here too, just trying to smooth my edges in, but you can see the rebar in there. Yeah. So the driver's side, I got just some self-etching primer on there. That one's already done. It's solid. The thing is just, it's awesome. Kind of going back and forth now on what I'm going to do for paint. I might just change the whole truck paint-wise. I don't know. We'll see, but the fenders are almost done. I have just the passenger side final touches, prime it, and then I'm ready for paint. I still got to figure out how to hang the grill, but that's simple stuff. I'm not worried about that at the moment. The main thing is these fenders, so home stretch. But yeah, I wanna give you guys an update. This is where I'm at with it, and we'll keep plugging away. So thanks for watching this video, and look forward to the next one. Hopefully these are done. I thought they'd be done by now, but yeah, thanks for watching.